In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between a battery tester and a multimeter. On the far left-hand side, I have this red one here. This one I picked up for about $5 at, I believe, Harbor Freight. It's a very cheap multimeter, but I keep it around the house to do some basic measurements when I need it. If I need more accuracy, then I'll go with my Fluke 87. This one has more functions and is more accurate. Okay. I just want to quickly show you this other old multimeter. This is the analog one I have since I've used it since I was in high school, and it still works, but I just don't use it as much as in the past. Okay, on the far right hand side here I have this battery tester. This one I picked up from Radio Shack when I was in high school, and a couple months ago it started acting up where the needle sometimes don't display the proper battery level on the meter here. So I went and picked up a new one about a month ago. This one's also from Radio Shack, and I believe it was on sale for about $15. Functionality between the two are very similar, even though the size is different. They both measure different voltage readings. They both have external test leads. Okay. Now, why would I have both of these meters? Okay. The reason I would have a battery tester here is because a battery tester will test the battery under load. Okay. Similar to when you use it in any type of devices like an alarm clock or a kid's toy or whatever you have at home. Whereas the multimeter will test the battery and give you a voltage reading. Okay, so let me turn on this multimeter here, and I'm going to measure two batteries. I have two AA batteries. One is almost dead. I pulled this out of an alarm clock I have, and let me show you the reading on this. It shows you is 1.476, 1.470. Okay. Now let's grab the good cell, the new one. This shows you 1.658. Now the problem with this is, even though it gives you a very accurate voltage reading, for most people 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, what does that tell you? Is it good or is it bad? So it's hard to know using a multimeter if the battery is good or bad. But if you use a battery tester, it will actually test the battery under load. So let me set this over here and see if you can see this. Okay. I'm going to test it with my battery tester. Okay. And it's set to the AA. Okay. There's a couple of ranges on the scale. Top one's regular battery. Middle one is button cell lithium, and the bottom one is rechargeable NiCad and nickel metal hydride. Okay. So I'm going to test this older battery here. Okay, and it shows you that is near the middle of the range. Okay, if I bring this new battery here, there's a new one. Okay, and it shows you that it's good to the top range of the green. Okay, and it's testing it with a small load, so it tells you whether the battery is good or bad. Okay, I just want to show you this in this video, difference between a battery tester and a multimeter. Okay? Thanks for watching.